guys, this is an update on my Haworthia. This used to be one big one. I'm going to insert a clip right here of how it used to look. Okay, so now that you guys saw what it looked like when I first received it and compare it to this, when I first received it, the middle started dying after a few months. I did do a video on that. What I did was I cut out the middle part, and then a new one started growing. It's right there, this one right here, and then 3 new ones started growing around the side. So these that you see around the one in the middle are from the original one. I mean, at least it's not dead. It's growing. It's growing slowly, and the babies are growing slowly, but I don't see any new ones growing in yet, but hopefully they do. What I was doing today is that I was cleaning it out. There were a lot of like little dead ones. I'm gonna clean the roots and put it in new soil. Wait, is this one right here? I think that one right there might be a new one. I'm not sure. I have to check that out. I think it is. Yeah, so there you go. Put it in new soil, and then hopefully it starts growing. Maybe this new one will grow. So yeah, that's just a quick update. Let me know if you guys have any Haworthia. I kind of want to buy another one. I want to look and see if there are any other, because I've seen other different types, so I want to find another one. I think this is the only one I've seen in all the times that I've gone to Home Depot or where I've like seen other flower guys selling plants. I haven't seen any other types, so hopefully I can find one soon. But yeah, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.